Hello, everyone. 大家好. Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about adverbs of mood, or commonly known as modal adverbs in Chinese. 语气副词 Modal adverbs are adverbs that express doubts or conjecture. The speaker uses it to evaluate or express his or her attitude towards an event or an action. The eight most commonly used modal adverbs we are looking at today are: number one, 难道. 难道 is HSK level 4 Chinese word. It is used in a rhetorical question for emphasis. The English equivalent is "Don't tell me," or "Could it be that?" 难道你不知道他老婆是韩国人吗？难道你不知道他老婆是韩国人吗？难道你不知道他老婆是韩国人吗？ Don't tell me you do not know his wife is Korean. Or don't you know his wife is Korean? 我难道看起来比我妈还老吗？我难道看起来比我妈还老吗？我难道看起来比我妈还老吗？ Don't tell me I look much older than my mom. Number two, 到底到底 is also a HSK level 4 Chinese word. It is used as a rhetorical question to strengthen the tone of a question and also to indicate further inquiry. The English equivalent is finally, or in the end, or when all is said and done. 你到底懂不懂我在说什么？你到底懂不懂我在说什么？你到底懂不懂我在说什么？ Do you understand what I am talking about? 他到底明白我要说什么了？他到底明白我要说什么了？他到底明白我要说什么了？ He finally understood what I wanted to say. Number three, 究竟。究竟 is another HSK level 4 word. This Chinese word is interchangeable with 到底 when used in a rhetorical question. Let us use the previous example. 你到底懂不懂我在说什么？ In this sentence, you can change 到底 to 究竟 without changing the meaning of the sentence. You can say 你究竟懂不懂我在说什么？ However, for the second sentence, 他到底明白我要说什么了？ In this sentence, you cannot change 到底 to 究竟 because the Chinese word 到底 here means 终于 finally, but 究竟 does not mean 终于。究竟 can be used as a noun to express result or reason. For example, 这件事是怎么发生的？我一定会问个究竟。这件 是怎么发生的？我一定会问个究竟。这件事是怎么发生的？我一定会问个究竟。I will get to the bottom of this matter to find out what actually happened. Number 4. 果然果然 is a HSK level 5 Chinese word. The English equivalent is really, sure enough, or as expected. 他果然没让我们失望。他果然没让我们失望。他果然没让我们失望。He really did not disappoint us. 果然是他把我的手机弄坏的。果然是他把我的手机弄坏的。果然是他把我的手机弄坏的。As expected, he was the one who broke my mobile phone. Number 5. 反正反正 is a HSK level 5 Chinese word. The meaning in English is anyway, anyhow, and regardless. It is used to express a strong reason and also to indicate that a situation can be different, but the result is the same. 反正我没空，不用邀请我了。反正我没空，不用邀请我了。反正我没空，不用邀请我了。I'm not free anyway. You don't need to invite me. 不管你爱听不听，反正我已经说了我该说的话。不管你爱听不听，反正我已经说了我该说的话。不管你爱听不听，反正我已经说了我该说的话。Whether you want to listen or not, I have already said what I wanted to say anyway. Number 6. 不料不料 is a conjunction which means unexpectedly to one's surprise in English. It is a HSK level 6 Chinese word. 玛丽以为彼得一定会和她结婚，不料被他拒绝了。玛丽以为彼得一定会和她结婚，不料被他拒绝了。玛丽以为彼得一定会和她结婚，不料被他拒绝了。Mary thought Peter will surely marry her, but unexpectedly he rejected her. 他本来好好的，不料突然发起疯来。他本来好好的，不料突然发起疯来。他本来好好的，不料突然发起疯来。He was fine initially, but unexpectedly went crazy all of a sudden. Number 7. 偏偏偏偏 is also a HSK level 6 Chinese word. It is used to indicate that something did not turn out the way one wants. It also means unfortunately or of all people or things. 大家的行李都没事，偏偏我的被弄丢了。大 家的行李都没事，偏偏我的被弄丢了。大家的行李都没事，偏偏我的被弄丢了。Everyone's luggage is fine. Unfortunately, only mine got lost. 玛丽最讨厌吃蔬菜，妈妈偏偏要她吃。玛丽最讨厌吃蔬菜，妈妈偏偏要她吃。玛丽最讨厌吃蔬菜，妈妈偏偏要她吃。Mary hates to eat vegetables, but her mom, of all things, wants her to eat them. Number 8. 简直简直 means simply or at all in English. It is a HSK Level 5 Chinese word. It expresses the meaning of close to with a tone of exaggeration. 我简直不敢相信我自己的眼睛。我简直不敢相信我自己的眼睛。我简直不敢相信我自己的眼睛。I simply could not believe my own eyes. 他的老婆简直太凶了。他的老婆简直太凶了。他的老婆简直太凶了。His wife is simply too fierce. That is all we have for you today. Let us know what you think about this video. Leave a comment and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you. 今天的视频就到此结束，谢谢大家。